Lenovo, the brand that once used to rival Xiaomi in the budget to lower mid-range segment, kinda disappeared midway. They're back now to kill, at least that's what they market the K as in their K series smartphones, and that's what we are taking a look at today, the Lenovo K9. While we are still in the process of evaluating the phone, today let's take a look at the top 5 features which would make you consider the Lenovo K9 as your next smartphone, coming up next on TechPP.com. Hey guys, this is Sumukh from TechPP, and before we go over the top 5 features of Lenovo's latest budget offering, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell icon to make sure you don't miss out on any of our content. Let's get started now. Let's begin with what we find in abundance on the K9, the cameras. The reason I said that is this phone has 4 cameras, 2 on the front and 2 at the back, which basically enables you to get the depth effect or bokeh in your images. Both the front and back sport 13 plus 5 megapixel dual lens setups accompanied by an LED flash. Images shot with the K9 appear to have natural colors and a decent amount of detail as well. The portrait mode works pretty well too, and you can adjust the intensity of the blur as per your liking. The front-facing shooters capture some good images as well, and the same can be said about the portrait mode on the front-facing cameras. Next up is the build quality. The Lenovo K9 comes with a 2.5D curved glass on both front and back, which is a rarity in this price segment. And yes, it feels premium to hold in the hand. Also, thanks to its smaller than usual form factor, the phone rests nicely in the hand and can be used single-handedly as well. Surprisingly, the glass back does a fairly good job of not showing too many fingerprints, but that's probably due to the color. The third reason why you should consider the Lenovo K9 is its UI. The Lenovo K9 runs on stock Android 8.1 Oreo with very little customization from Lenovo. The little customization that has been done actually enhances the experience of using the device. For example, there are wake up gestures which enable you to double tap to wake the display or draw certain letters on the display when it is turned off to trigger relevant actions like opening the camera or other various apps. Moving on, we have the USB Type-C port on the Lenovo K9, which makes it future-proof and also gives you reversibility, meaning you can insert your charger either way and it will still plug in without any issues. USB-C is more durable as well, and it's something you would ideally find on flagships or higher mid-range phones, so having it at this price point just adds the icing on the cake. The fifth and the final reason is the price. The Lenovo K9 will retail for Rs 8,999, and for that price, what you're getting is a Helio P22 chipset based on the 12nm architecture, a premium glass build, USB Type-C which is a first in this segment, and a good set of cameras. These were our few initial impressions while using the device just after unboxing it, and it is not to be treated as a review of the smartphone. You can expect the full review of the Lenovo K9 in a few days once we put the smartphone through its paces. If you have any queries or suggestions, you can leave them in the comment section below, and until next time, may the tech be with you.